We all know that Shiba Inu is currently working on its Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. But did you know that in that time, they've also been working on something massive behind the scenes? Nobody seems to be talking about it though. If your friends are skeptical about Shibarium and Shiba Inu itself, I'll be giving some insider information in this video. So keep watching if you want to be able to win every argument on why Shiba Inu has a very good chance of making us rich. Disclaimer: no matter how recently you got into the crypto market, you would definitely have heard of Binance. After all, it is the largest crypto exchange platform in the world. Well, Binance just recently emphasized its position as the largest crypto exchange platform in the world, hitting a user base of 150 million registered users. What's even more interesting about this is that at this time last year, there were only about 120 million registered Binance users. So in 1 year, 30 million people registered on Binance. That's huge, both for Binance and the crypto market as a whole. Anyway, that's not where I'm going here. So for a very long time, Binance had their own stablecoin. And if you have been in the crypto market for a while now, you probably already know what a stablecoin is and have maybe even heard of Binance's stablecoin. But for those who are new to all of this, let me explain. Stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency in that they are created through cryptography and are not under the control of any government or central bank. But unlike regular cryptocurrencies, the value of stablecoins is pegged to another more stable currency or commodity like fiat money or gold. The idea of stablecoins is for them to be an alternative to regular cryptocurrencies, which are typically high volatility. So people who are looking to venture into cryptocurrency but are too worried about how volatile the market is can go with stablecoins instead. So yeah, Binance had one of those for a long time, which it called Binance USD or BUSD. However, in what's beginning to look like a crypto witch hunt, the New York Department of Financial Services, or NYDFS for short, recently ordered that the production of BUSD be put to a halt. Not much explanation has been given for why this happened. All we know is that the NYDFS ordered Paxos, the company that makes and manages BUSD, to stop its production. Binance quickly put out a statement to stop people from panicking. According to finance feeds, the statement reads, "Paxos has informed us that they have been directed to cease minting new BUSD by the New York Department of Financial Services. BUSD is a stablecoin wholly owned and managed by Paxos. As a result, BUSD market cap will only decrease over time. Paxos will continue to service the product, manage redemptions, and will follow up with additional information as required." While this statement must have helped to reassure people that they won't be losing their money with the discontinuation of BUSD, the fact that it will no longer be produced meant that people had to start seeking alternatives. And for many people, the alternative of choice was Tether USDT, the biggest stablecoin and third largest cryptocurrency in the market. Also, make sure to keep watching because I'll tell you how all of this relates to Shiba Inu. In fact, Shiba Inu is an important part of the puzzle. So Tether announced a couple of months back that it would soon start buying Bitcoin for its stablecoin reserves. The plan was to use 15% of its profits every month to buy Bitcoin as part of a new investment strategy. All the Bitcoin that it buys would be added to Tether's reserve surplus, and Tether mentioned that it would be holding all of those coins without using any third-party custodians. Now, you might be thinking that this is good news. After all, it means that the crypto market would be getting more liquidity, which is good for everyone concerned. However, everything is not exactly what it seems. Tether has not exactly been keeping its promise, a promise that it decided to make of its own volition without being cajoled by anybody. Don't worry, I'll explain exactly what I mean here. So Tether just released its financial report for Q2 of 2023. And it shows that the company made a significant profit. Now, the profit was lower than what they recorded in the previous quarter, but a total profit of $3.3 billion is quite significant. However, of the $3.3 billion, $850 million was the company's own profit, which is recorded as excess reserves. It's called excess reserves because that's what is distributed to shareholders and also what is used for other things like buying Bitcoin, as we mentioned earlier. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. That said, another report showed that Tether bought only $70 million worth of Bitcoin. Now, if you remember what we just talked about a couple of minutes ago, Tether categorically said that they were going to use 15% of their actual profit to buy Bitcoin. You don't need to be a math genius to know that $70 million is not 15% of $815 million. You can use a calculator for that. If Tether kept their promise, they would have bought Bitcoin worth $127.5 million. That's nowhere near the $70 million worth that they ended up buying. Now, it has to be mentioned that the financial report represents a period of 3 months, so an argument could be made that Tether might have made the 15% purchase in 1 or 2 of those months and only have slacked off in 1. But even at that, it would still mean that they haven't kept up with purchasing as many tokens as they said that they would, and this could be considered a red flag. But there's more. Binance CEO CZ doesn't seem to trust Tether either. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck. Binance CEO recently hosted an Ask Me Anything session where he shared his concerns about some parts of centralized and algorithmic stablecoins, and Tether's USDT seemed to be a huge sticking point for him. According to CZ, he has yet to see any audit reports on USDT, which basically makes the token a risky asset worth being wary of. According to You Today, Changpeng Zhao has not seen any audit reports of US dollar Tether or USDT, the largest stablecoins by market capitalization. As such, the third biggest cryptocurrency is a black box associated with a certain level of risk. He also added that the majority of his counterparties and colleagues had not seen any audits for USDT either. That is why the Binance team started issuing Binance USD stablecoins, which were shut down by the SEC. With all the crashes and fraudulent activities that have happened in the crypto market, publishing audit reports has become very important. Crypto companies need to be able to show the world that their operations are above board and that their reserves are well stocked. So the fact that, at least according to CZ, there are no public audit reports for USDT is quite concerning. Then you add that to the fact that they didn't buy as many Bitcoin tokens as they said they would buy, and you can begin to see how Tether might be an issue. Now, what does any of this have to do with Shiba Inu? Well, Shiba Inu is developing its own SHI stablecoin. This stablecoin has been in the works for a while now, but doesn't get as much attention as some other Shiba Inu projects. However, the fact that Binance's stablecoin has been discontinued and Tether does not seem all that trustworthy probably means that we should be paying it more attention. We've seen the dev team's success with the other Shiba Inu projects and also their willingness to bring on some of the most skilled people in the industry. So it does seem like we can trust them to make something worth using. Now that there seems to be a big gap in the stablecoin market, could Shiba Inu stablecoin overtake giants like USDT? Consider sharing your thoughts in the comment section. But if that happens, it would be huge for Shiba Inu. I still want to hear what you think though. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.